In our previous class, we explored the office, its dynamics, roles, and workplace culture. Today, we delve into different departments in an organization. Organizational structure closely relates to departments. In small businesses, one person often handles multiple roles, such as accounting, reception, management, and personnel tasks, resulting in a few essential departments. In larger organizations, specialists with diverse skills work in distinct areas, practicing division of labor and specialization. Types of departments. 1. Administrative department. Formulates policies. Manages reception. Organizes files. Documents correspondence. 2. Personnel department. Recruits and onboards staff. Oversees training. Addresses employee welfare. Maintains records. Handles dismissals. 3. Accounts department. Manages finances. Pays staff. Records assets/liabilities. Pays creditors. Collects debts. Issues invoices. Provides financial advice. 4. Sales department. Sells products/services. Conducts marketing. Offers post-sales support. Adapts to market changes. 5. Purchasing department. Procures materials. Monitors markets. Verifies invoices. In conclusion, each department contributes to an organization's smooth operation and success. Departmentalization and division of labor play crucial roles in modern organizational structures. Thanks for joining us.